Hi, welcome back to our channel. If you've just come from watching part 6 of the Harry Potter Lego build, no, you're not seeing things. This was recorded straight after part 7, which was recorded straight after part 6, so this will be the third video I've shot straight after. But I'm kind of in the mood and I don't get a chance to do it very often. But welcome to our channel. Today is part 7 of the Hogwarts Castle Lego build. This is where we've got to so far. We last time we were just we built what I think is the potions classroom, and when it is all finished, it'll look something like that. I hope. But today we are on part 7, bag 7. So I will point the camera down and we will begin. I've said in the other videos, though, if there's any suggestions or comments on how we can make our videos better, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. So, let's see what we're going to be building today. I wasn't expecting to be building a classroom last week. That's not last week. Last build, but I thought I was just going to be doing clips. We've got two bags, little bags in this one. So I hope you guys can go about there. Let's try that again, shall we? I hope the you out there watching, I hope you're enjoying these videos. And so we're going to flip this around here. I do hope you can see what I'm doing. So that goes there. We're doing some cliff face building, but so where do these two bits go? Yeah. Yeah. So where's the other one go? There. There we go. So what are we doing now? We're doing some water, some sewer. So that one there goes like that. So there's all sorts of interesting pieces in here. Got some yellows and blues and greys. Nothing. Oh, got some more baseboard by the looks of it that we'll be putting in at some point in this build, in this part. Is that? I'm not entirely convinced that's the right bit, but it's going to be put there as a placeholder. So, so where do you go? You go here. Go here. You go there. You must go. That can't be right. Yeah, that one goes. That one. That wouldn't be right like that. See, that doesn't make much sense to me. So, okay. That makes sense like that. See, that makes sense. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So I used the wrong one in there. It's not very clear, is it? Yep. Well, not very clear in the pictures, but if you look at that, it is clear. Well, it's not helped by me being tired all the time. So. Blue? Where's the green go? Okay, green. Okay. There we go. Right, so. I probably should move all this stuff a bit. So, right, so I hope you're all having a good week and that the weather is getting better. It's been appalling here recently. Okay. There. No. Yes, that's going there. A big tall one that's going here. Big tall one that's going here. With a I mean, I think I said in the video it's sort of the last week of January when I'm recording this. So we're getting constantly hit by storms still at the moment. Today is like the first day it hasn't rained in a very long time. Oh. Let's try putting the right bit in, shall we? Yeah. Oh, no, that bit does go in. See? Okay. Oops. Oh dear, this is going to be difficult. So you go there. This is a very weird piece. And that goes like that. Goes like that. And then it goes like that. So that's not where that was supposed to go, was it? Oh, I still make mistakes. Come on. There we go. So what goes there? Nothing goes there? Nothing goes there. Okay. Yeah, so just build a bit more cliff. So, according to ancient legend, it was Rowena Ravenclaw who named the castle Hogwarts, after dreaming of a warty hog that led her to the perfect location. But this has never been confirmed. I do like that little bits of lore in the... Oh, what are we doing now? Oh. So we're kind of, looks like we're filling in these gaps here. So I see. So before I can do that, I need to do this. One that goes. Ah. Oh, this is making my brain hurt. Yep. So it goes like that. It goes like that. We're missing something from there, aren't we? So. Yep. So. Oh, I hope I've got this right, people. These instructions for this bit here are very hard to be sure about. I don't think I got it wrong, per se. Okay, so now we're shooting off down a completely different direction now. So. Right, this really is getting me confused. I'm not entirely convinced I've done that right. But we'll find out. So we're going on to building something else. So that's a bright brick. Right, I have no idea what this is for. Seriously, tell me this was to go. Oh, I've missed its page. Ah, so then this joins that like that. It's growing again. I have absolutely no idea what this is. No idea whatsoever. Well, it does seem clear that they're going into cliff now. It's certainly an interesting building, isn't it? Oh. Maybe you can see what I'm doing all right. And the blue one. So, yeah. One of those. One of those. So that goes there. That goes there. That goes there. I think that's going to go like that. Yep. I've only got green ones, so I'm assuming it must be green ones. Ooh. I've got another interesting piece there, look. which is going on now. I don't know where that's got to do with things, but so yes, we seem to be building cliff today. Okay. Just check. Now that we got filled in. No, supposed to be a hole there. Have a look. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's supposed to be a hole there. So, one of them. One of them. Nope. One of them. Oh. It's alright, it's asking for a bit that I can't find. And I've not really got many bits left. So I'm not entirely sure where that bit's gone. So I've got a bit that should do the job, it's just not the same colour. So, so I'm having a look in my previous unused bits section. But no, I don't have spare, and it's definitely not been dropped on the floor. I've got, so it just looks like it'll have to do being the wrong colour. Not that I'm sure it'll make much difference in the grand scheme of things. And if I show you, we'll be doing this bit, that one there should be that colour. It's funny that interesting. It's oh. Okay. This isn't. Yes, oh, this one. Mm. Okay. Mm. Okay. Okay. I'm not really sure it's supposed to be here. That's why I'm missing another bit. Ah, dear. The pictures for around here just aren't very good. So that one. Too green. Put the green in that one. So there we go. Okay, so for the orange we have a white. Then we have an orange. Now I want a building. So 3. I'm building all this and I still don't really understand how it's all going to work. I think I'm doing this right. I have to shift this around. Lots of water. Okay. So I'm just checking that this all looks the same. Yep. Right, so put these two blue. So that's going to go. Right, we're on part 204 now. So we've got a little bit of river. So, river. What's that black? No idea where that is. Oh, yes. Sorry. Yes. There you are. Oh, no. Ah, so, where do you go? You go. Okay. Okay, we're just building more cliff again. There's a lot of cliff in this. Cliff. Right. Next page. So look at that. That with a little bit at the top. Right, so nearly there with this one. I just realised that you probably can't really see what I'm doing either. I've just been doing this bit at the moment. Where do you go? Oh, I'm ahead of myself. Oh. So we'll okay. Oh. Okay, so this is the last bit. Where's this going to go? No, I found that missing piece. Right. And that is the end of number 8. So, this is the bit we've been working on today. We've got a river that runs all the way down here. God knows what that is under there. So we'll figure out where this is on the picture. Aha. Right. Okay, I see where we are. This bit here is that bit there. So that's going to be underneath this. The castle's to be built over this. Meaning the Great Hall is going to be sort of here-ish. I can't see what that is, but there we go. So let me just move the camera and then I'll get back to you. That is that is bag 7 of the Lego finished, so that is part 7 of the Lego finished. So as you can see, this I believe is the full width of the model, I believe. So we've just got a bit sort of here to fill in. See, we got a lot of the garden done last time. It's looking really good. So when it's finished, I'll have to have lots of show you all the secrets and things that are in it. But that's it for this time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And please feel free to give us any comments or suggestions in the comments below. And please subscribe. As of recording this, we're nearly at 1,000 subscribers. I mean, that's just amazing. And thank you all for subscribing and helping us get there. It doesn't seem 5 minutes ago since we had our first 100. And it's rather amazing to think that many people want to watch us. So, but I'm going to leave you all now because I've been rabbiting on for over 40 minutes. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.